Welcome to the Cruising Addicts channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Royal Plaza Hotel in Hong Kong. Sit back and enjoy the review, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, and subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel content. Looking for a luxury hotel in Hong Kong that's central, comfortable, and great for both tourists and families? Today we're reviewing the Royal Plaza Hotel in Mong Kok, one of the most convenient and well-rated hotels in the city. The Royal Plaza Hotel is located in Mong Kok East, right above the MOKO shopping mall and Mong Kok East MTR station, which gives you direct access to the East Rail line. It's only one MTR transfer away from Tsim Sha Tsui and about 40 to 50 minutes from the airport by train or cab. With the local markets, shopping centers, and tons of food options nearby, the location is a major win. Rooms at Royal Plaza are spacious by Hong Kong standards. Even the deluxe rooms offer plenty of space, modern decor, and comfortable bedding. You'll get a large flat screen TV, work desk, free Wi-Fi, and a mini fridge. Bathrooms are sleek and come with both a tub and a rain shower. They also offer family rooms with 2 queen beds, perfect if you're traveling with kids or in a group. Some rooms have views of Lion Rock or the city skyline, so request one if available. There are several dining options on site. The main highlight is La Scala, which serves an impressive international buffet breakfast, everything from dim sum to omelets to fresh fruit. There's also a Cantonese restaurant, Di King Hing, offering upscale traditional Chinese dishes, great for a special dinner without leaving the hotel. Or grab something casual at MOKO Mall's food court just downstairs with dozens of choices. One of the standout features here is the outdoor heated pool and hot tub, a relaxing spot after a long day of sightseeing. There's also a large gym with modern equipment, and spa services are available by appointment. Service at the hotel is consistently praised. Staff are helpful, polite, and many speak excellent English. And yes, they'll hold your luggage before or after check-in if you need to explore. Here's some pros for Royal Plaza Hotel. Excellent location above Mong Kok East MTR. Large, clean, and comfortable rooms. Great for families or longer stays. Pool, spa, gym, and mall access. Fantastic breakfast buffet. And here's some cons of Royal Plaza Hotel. Not walkable to Victoria Harbor or Hong Kong Island. The MTR is required. No direct airport shuttle. You'll have to take a taxi or Airport Express plus the MTR. And prices can be high during peak seasons. If you want a comfortable, convenient, and upscale stay in the heart of Kowloon, Royal Plaza Hotel is a great choice, especially for families or travelers who want space and value. Let us know in the comments, have you stayed here or are you planning a trip to Hong Kong soon? Hit that like button if this review helped, and don't forget to subscribe to Cruising Addicts for more hotel reviews and international travel tips. Happy sailing!